Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need pony beads and perler beads. You're going to need scissors, a lighter, a needle, and you're going to need a long piece of string we'll set aside, and then you're going to need 12 pieces of string that measure about 8 inches. And you're going to start by putting on one pink. We're going to put on a pink and cross the strings here. You'll grab these ends and then pull it down. Okay, so we're adding a pink on one side and then taking the string and crossing it over. And then pulling it down. It's easier for me if I wrap it around my finger and then cross the string over. But if it's easier for you to lay it down, you can do it that way. Okay, once you get most of the beads on there, you'll hold these ends and then pull these down to tighten it up, and it gives you some more string to work with. Oh, okay, so for the last one, we don't have to cross it over. We'll just let that fall and then you tie it. And then you're going to cut this off. So we did 10 beads. We're going to need 2 of each color. So if you want to stop the video and make 2 in each color, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, this is the pattern. I started with a pink pony bead, then I added the perler bead, and then another pink pony bead. So you're going to do that for each color here. So if you want to stop the video to get these beads on, you can. Once you have all those beads on, we'll put these ends together and tie it. Okay, we're going to cut the small end off. And you should have your needle on the other piece of string, or the other side. And what we're going to do is go through this pink and this pink, and we're going to go down this pink and through this one. Okay, now we're going to add pink and orange. We're going to go through the third bead We're going to add orange and yellow, go through the third bead, yellow and green, go through the third, purler. So we're putting on the color that's right here. And then you're always going through the third bead here. Okay, I'm going to keep doing that all the way around, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, I'm at the end here. I added my last beads, purple and pink, and then I went through this pink bead. Now we need to go through these 3 beads. Then we're going to go down this orange and up this one. And now we can start our next row. Okay, we're gonna skip this bead and then go through this one. So yellow and green, skip this bead, go through this one. Skip this bead and then go through this one. Okay, you're going to do that all the way around, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, I added my last beads and I'm coming out of this orange. We need to go down this orange and up this one. Now we can add our pattern, orange and yellow, and then you're going to skip this yellow and go through this one. Yellow, green, skip this one, go through this one. Okay, we're going to keep doing that, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, I'm at the end here, and I'm coming out of this orange bead. We're going to go down this orange and up this orange. If I can get past that knot. Okay, there we go. And now you're going to add the same pattern. Skip a bead and then go through this one. Okay, you're going to go ahead and do that all the way around. I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, I went through this orange bead. Now we're going to go down this one. And for this pattern, we're going to add a pony bead, purler, and a pony bead of each color. We're going to do the same thing. So we're on orange and then we're going to pink. We're going to do that with pink again because we're still on pink. And then the next color is purple. we're going to go through the purple. We're still on purple, so we're going to add that. Next color is blue. And then we'll go through this blue. We're on blue. And next color, green. We'll go through the green. Now that knot might be in your way. There we go. Okay, we're on green. Next color, yellow. We'll go through the yellow. Yellow. And orange. Whoops, that's not orange. We'll go through the orange. And now we're back where we started. So we're just going to repeat that all the way around. I'm going to go ahead and do that and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I added my last beads on. Now we need to go through this middle orange. And then up all these beads right here to come out of that pink pony bead. And our pattern is going to be every other bead, and we're going to start with a pony bead. And we're going to go through the pink and purple. Okay, so the next color, purple. And then you're going to go through the purple and the blue. And if you run out of string like I am, just tie some on. But we're going to do that for every color. So we're always going through the 2 middle pony beads and then adding whatever color is in front of you. I'm going to go ahead and do that and then I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, I'm at the end here. These are my last beads. We're going to go through this orange and pink middle bead, and then we're going to go through these 3 to get to the middle pony bead of this row. So this pattern, we're going back to this one. We've already done this. That's how we started. And then you're going to go through the middle purple. Okay, we're going to do that with each color, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, I have my last set of beads on. We're going to go through this middle pink and through all of these beads right here. So we went through the middle and then these 4. Now we're going to fold this down here to line up with the pattern, and then take our string and go through. Okay, and now we're going to take our needle and go through we went through all of these beads right here. Now we need to line this one up. We're going to go through, sorry, we went across this. We're making a circle. We're going to go through all these beads. Fold this down, match it up, and then we're going to go through those and through these. We're going to go through these beads. And then fold this down to match it up. Go across these two. And then, so you should have two, we're skipping two pony beads, doing every other. We're going to go through all these beads here, skipping the set to get to this one, and then folding this over to match those beads up. Go across, and then across these. So we're making like a little loop. And we're going to go across these. Line this up. Go across. Okay, we're going to go across these. And across these. Now we're back where we started. So to connect these, we'll go through. And now we can tie this. Let me cut that off. And this is what it looks like. I think this turned out pretty cool, but I don't have a name for it. What do you guys think? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.